Okay, I received my Printrbot simple maker kit today. Pretty excited about it. Figured I'd unbox it and show you guys what it comes in. Pretty small box. Weight's not too bad. It's got the little emblem of Printrbot. Please handle with care, fragile. It doesn't look like there's much to it. I got my invoice. I got the Simple Maker bot. And I got 2 spools of PLA, one black, one glow, nighttime glow. I take it this is probably the black if this is the glow. Yeah, that's the glow. Oh man, I look forward to seeing how this is going to work. I assume this is going to be the black. Yeah. And the kit. Wow. So that's it. It's not that big. Let's see. This is here. Okay. Oh, here we go. Printrbot, Maker Edition Bill of Materials. Looks like they check off everything to make sure they put everything in here. It gives you the laser cut numbers, and it gives you the hardware chart. Oh, now that's cool. There's the board. Looks like it's sealed. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it looks like all the hardware that's included. The 4 motors. I think that's where the weight is. Yep, the 4 motors. And all the wiring. The guide rods. And then it looks like all the parts. Nice. It's nice and sealed, shrink wrapped. Not really shrink wrapped, but it's sealed in plastic. It has, this looks like it's the sensor and some of the cabling. There's my plate. Wow, that's small. It sure looks small. A lot smaller than it does on the web. Put some over here. So we got power supply, a little simple AC adapter, AC to DC adapter, power cord, all the wonderful zip ties that I'm going to need, the sample PLA spool, looks like the bearings, yep, the bearings, point of no return. That's pretty good. And more screws. I think this is what holds the heating element. And the heating element. That's pretty much it. Wow. And some tools. Well, I'm looking forward to working with this. Alright, I'll show you guys once it's all put together. Talk to you soon.